All right, everyone, buckle up, because today we are diving deep into something pretty amazing.
Yeah.
AI
AI.
in
That's right.
Microsoft Excel.
In Excel.
I know. You're thinking spreadsheets.
Spreadsheets.
AI. Crazy.
Oh, trust me on this one.
Oh, it's going to be a pain.
We've gotten our hands on some, insider information.
Yeah, some notes from the development team.
About upcoming features.
Stuff they're working on.
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
These features are going to completely change the way we use Excel.
Yeah, it's really a game changer.
Whether you're like, a hardcore spreadsheet wizard.
Spreadsheet ninja.
Or just someone who uses it to keep track of their, grocery list.
Everyone.
This is going to be huge.
It's for everyone.
So we're going to break down exactly how these new AI features work.
Yep.
And more importantly, what they mean for you.
How you can use them.
So
let's dive in.
Let's dive in.
Like, one of the most interesting things I've seen is how they're integrating AI into the tools we use every day. Absolutely, yeah.
Like, it's not some far-off future tech anymore.
No.
It's right here.
It's happening right now.
Right in front of us.
And a great example of that is this new organization data type feature.
Okay, yeah. Tell me about that one.
So imagine you're working on some big project.
Mm-hmm.
You need some information on a company, like let's just say Tesla.
Okay.
All you do is you type Tesla into a cell.
Just the name.
And boom, Excel just pulls in tons of data about the company.
Like what kind of stuff?
Oh, their stock price,
Okay.
their CEO, the number of employees they have, even their latest news headlines.
It's like a research assistant built right into Excel.
I know, it's crazy, right?
That's pretty cool.
Like having a personal research team at your beck and call.
Seriously, it's like magic, but it's not magic. It's
AI.
It's AI, yeah.
But yeah, how does it even work? Like, what's going on behind the scenes?
So basically, Excel is using something called natural language processing, or NLP,
Okay.
to, understand what you're asking for.
So it can interpret.
It interprets what you typed in.
Gotcha.
And then it uses machine learning algorithms,
Machine learning.
yeah, to basically search through a bunch of reliable data sources.
Okay.
And then it pulls in the relevant information.
So it's going out to the web and grabbing all this stuff.
Yeah, like it can connect to financial databases, news websites, all sorts of places.
Wow.
It's really sophisticated stuff happening behind the scenes.
So instead of me having like 10 tabs open
Yeah.
and constantly switching between websites,
Right.
I can just get it all in one place.
All in one place, in your spreadsheet.
That's a huge time saver.
Huge time saver.
But, it's not just about saving time.
No, it's about what you can do at that time.
Exactly.
So think about it. Like, this feature makes your spreadsheets
Yeah.
dynamic.
Okay.
Like living dashboards.
Right.
Constantly updating with the latest information.
Wow.
Imagine tracking your investments.
Oh, yeah?
Or like analyzing market trends, even just keeping your client list up to date, all automatically.
Okay. That's blowing my mind a little
Yeah,
bit.
it's powerful stuff.
Like, I'm already thinking about my budgeting spreadsheet.
Uh-huh.
I spend way too much time manually updating stock prices.
Exactly. No more.
This would be a game changer.
Total game changer.
But, let's talk about more complex uses.
Okay.
Give me an example of how someone might use this in, a professional setting.
All right. So let's say you're a financial analyst
Okay.
and you're working on a merger and acquisition deal.
High stakes.
Yeah, high stakes. You need to compare two companies across a bunch of different metrics, right?
Right.
Financials, market share, leadership, all that stuff.
Yeah, all the important stuff.
With this feature, you could pull all that data into Excel
Wow.
with just a couple of clicks.
Really?
Create a comprehensive, up-to-the-minute comparison.
So you can make a really informed decision.
Data-driven decision-making
Yeah,
at its finest.
that's amazing.
And the best part, you
Yeah.
don't have to be a coding whiz to take advantage of this.
Right. Yeah, I was going to say.
It's all built right into Excel.
Makes it accessible.
Accessible to everyone.
Yeah.
It's like having the power of like a huge research department at your fingertips.
That is incredible.
Right.
I mean, Excel, it's not just about numbers anymore.
No, not at all.
It's becoming this powerful AI-driven research and analysis tool.
And that's just the beginning.
I know. It makes you wonder, what other everyday tools are about to get this AI boost.
What's next?
It's exciting, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely a lot to look forward to.
Absolutely.
It's going to change everything.
It really is.
I can't wait to see what they come up with next.
You too.
It's going to be wild.
Wild.